We got a 2019 Factory 5 custom car with a Coyote crate motor and 5-speed manual transmission. Showing 2,418 miles. And I'm sure that's just since it was built. Oh, let the parking brake on. Let that off. When I drove this up here, still got the brake on. Man, it's got so much power. And it's got a full chassis under it. It's a Factory 5 chassis with wheelwood brakes. The brakes are awesome. There's no place here really to like get on it per se. I'm just gonna take it easy. It's a beautiful evening here in Mansfield, Texas. Maybe get out up here, get out here and walk around. You can see good oil pressure, charging system's good, the fuel gauge works. What's interesting, when you start this cold, man, it roars, and then as soon as it wakes up, I'm gonna set this down just for a second. Takes 2 hands to open the door. It's got an aluminum frame windshield. We do have a soft top with all the hardware that goes with it. It's never been installed on the car. The paint is beautiful. It's been driven to a few car shows. The gentleman that had it, he's getting up there in years, and it was just time to let her go. It's got some beautiful mag wheels, 5-spoke chrome, and we've got the build book, the parts list, the wiring diagram, basically everything that he got with the car. The transmission, the clutch, the motor was sold by Ford as an assembly. Comes with the computer, the wiring. And 5 years ago, that was 20 grand. I'm sure it's more today. We're gonna take it and get a 4-wheel alignment, because the car was built and it was just shop aligned. It never was properly aligned. We'll have some pictures of the undercarriage. It's just spotless underneath. And this is a full fender model. You can actually take the fenders off, the rear, the running boards in the front, and then you'll have like a 2-seat roadster. So you can set it up to suit your style. Underneath is just beautiful. It's just as clean as it is up top. But give us a call if you'd like to own this Factory 5 1933 Ford Roadster. It's a beautiful build, but you do have to be careful because when you hit second gear, it comes alive. It's kind of scary. You got to be prepared because there's no nannies on this car. We can also arrange shipping through our freight broker, and I would definitely do enclosed shipping, as clean and nice as this Factory 5 is. But we'll have pictures in our listing of the books, the receipts, the wiring harness, everything, or the wiring diagram I should say, everything that comes with it. It's a great deal because you can't begin to buy the kit and buy the parts for what we're asking for it. And it's assembled and painted. Just need somebody to make it their own. But have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob wishing you happy trails. If I can open this hood with one hand, I will. The hood release is inside. Yep, it's going to take two hands. But I've got pictures of that beautiful Coyote motor. Well, have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob wishing you happy trails.